This is the season where a lot of family and friends get together for the holidays.
And you know, we will be doing some frantic DIYs.
We're going to show you some small tools that make a big difference.
We want to share with you this right here.
This is the Stanley Precision Screwdriver Set.
And let me tell you guys, these little tools are very handy.
Oh yeah.
They come with 2 Phillips screwdrivers. Those are the ones that kind of look like a cross. And then 3 flathead little screwdrivers. And
these are good for those bathroom DIYs.
You know, the ones where you're replacing your shelves or you're adding a new towel rack. These are the little tools that will help you get it done.
Yeah, they go under the towel rack and get into that screw that you can't even see. You know, it's a hiding screw. So it really helps you out with this one.
These are also used for replacing wall switches, panels.
Plates.
Yeah, the plates on there when you maybe you're doing a holiday theme or you're just getting rid of the old ones and replacing them with new ones.
Oh yeah.
These are the tools.
Exactly. You can unscrew, you can screw it in, and it makes it easy because you can hold it with one hand and screw it in. This is a big holiday season.
So remember to check out our channel at DIY Power Couple for all the DIY videos you'll need to update your home this holiday season. These
cool.
are great for devices, opening up things, gifts, toys, everything. Like we said, you're doing a lot of little DIYs, companies coming over. This is a great tool. And we'll leave a link to all of these tools we talk about today in the description.
So another holiday DIY is replacing light fixtures.
And when you do that, we want you to be safe and making sure you're using tools that will help your safety.
One of the tools we use is a non-contact voltage tester.
This has saved your life. This is important because when you were unscrewing things, we needed to test to make sure the wires were no longer
hot. You don't want to electrocute yourself.
No.
You know, a lot of people have a little bit of a fear of electricity anyway. And so this right here will help you to alleviate some of that fear. This is a great item to have when you're plugging up a lot of lights around the house.
Yes, because you can just, touch it? And
yeah, you push this button right here and then you put it right next to a wire, or you touch the wire actually, or you put it inside of the receptacle to see if it's live.
You can use it for both.
Yes.
And if you just have outlets, we have this right here. And this will let you know, like sometimes when you're plugging stuff in and the lights aren't working and you're like, is it the light bulb or is it the outlet?
Yeah. This will let you know if that outlet is working correctly. The cool thing about this is that it has lights on the outside of here, and it also has instructions to let you know what is going on with your outlet.
Yeah, because now there's a lot of things that you're plugging in, you're having like a remote control with it, or you have to have some type of Wi-Fi, or it needs a base, and you want to know if the outlet is working. And this will help you with all of your holiday trinkets and lights and plugins.
So I definitely recommend this one because it came in handy for us.
This is probably my favorite tool. This is called a comfort grip.
So you know people are looking at the outside and what's inside of your house.
Yes, and if you want to make that outside curb appeal a little bit better, you can use this and spray paint your shutters. You can spray paint your mailbox. I think that's what we used it for.
Yeah.
Easily and quickly. You put this comfort grip on right here on top of the can, and then you can just spray away. Look how easy that is with this trigger right here.
The thing I like about it is that the nozzle is not being covered by your finger. Sometimes, it's twisting and you're just like in front of the nozzle and it's like, wait a minute, that's the wrong side. So you want to get over here, but now the spray paint is getting all over your fingers.
On your fingers.
It's like, it becomes a big mess.
Messing up your nails. But when you do this, not only does it help you with like finger fatigue while you're holding that nozzle down,
exactly.
But I mean, you can do like even sprays. You'll feel like a professional with your spray can, and it's lightweight.
And the thing I like about it is that it alleviates a lot of the globs that, take place when you're pushing down on the button.
You can spray paint your railings, holiday little crafts. Let's say you pick up something at the thrift store and you want to spray paint it red, or you want to spray paint it gold. This will help you to make those holiday DIYs so much easier. And you know what else is nice about this, babe?
What's that?
Not only can you use it yourself, this is a good stocking stuffer, okay? For anyone who likes to paint, quick DIYs, look at that. It fits right there. It kind of looks like, you could put it on the tree.
It actually looks like a stocking right there.
Yeah, it's a gift, it's a tool, and it's a toy, okay?
Exactly. And speaking of getting your hands dirty, one of the things that I like are these gloves right here.
You want to protect your hands during this holiday season. You're doing a lot of DIYing, and these nitrile gloves are perfect for that. They're latex free. They are very durable, a little bit more durable than the blue like nylon gloves sometimes we wear. You can use them for DIYs. And you can use them for holiday cooking.
Oh, yes.
They can protect your hands from getting smelly. They can protect your hands while you're cleaning.
Going on that grill.
The grill, these
Spray
are
painting.
so versatile.
When you ladies are getting your manicures, your hands won't get so dirty.
That's right. We can just use this if we're doing some yard work, anything like that, and we don't
Yes.
want dirt underneath our nails. These nitrile gloves have just been a lifesaver. They're quick, they're disposable. This is what you need, a small little product like this during the holidays, during your DIYs.
It saves time and your hands.
Now, if you're doing a little holiday decorations and you're putting up trim or anything that has like
Some wood,
or you're framing mirrors or anything like this,
PVC pipes, or anything you got. I mean, the thing that I like to use the most,
this little tool.
yeah, this right here. This is called a miter box with a saw.
And it's very inexpensive. So this is a nice DIY tool for the holidays if you're having to do like a little bit of trimming, cutting,
Yes.
small projects. We've used it to like create frames around dry erase boards.
Or the mirror.
Yes, if you're
Yeah.
if you're making little holiday calendars or any small woodworking, crafty DIY thing.
In my opinion, this is definitely something that a first-time DIYer or, someone who wants to get into DIY should get this one right here because
Yeah.
it's a great gift.
You can use it inside the garage, or you can take it outside. You can take it on the porch, whatever you've got going on, and you need to cut something
Yes.
quickly. This is your tool.
It is. One tool that every DIYer should have during the holidays is a tape measure.
This has to be the most underrated tool.
Oh, yeah.
You will need this for the holidays, even if you don't think so, because you are going to have to measure a tree, a ledge, some space that you're going to put something in.
Oh, yeah.
And it would be to your advantage if you measure it first.
Or that box that you need to put something in for that gift.
Yes, we know a friend who bought a skirt for the tree, and when they brought it home, it actually didn't fit because they did not measure. And we don't want to take anything back this holiday.
Yeah.
We don't want to take anything back that doesn't fit in the space.
No, you don't want to get in those long lines.
No, so be sure that you have your tape measure with you. Even if you're getting new appliances.
One thing we know about is appliances. If you're getting a new refrigerator, you definitely want to measure
wanna
this.
measure.
Measure this once, twice, and thrice.
Yes, there's so much that measuring is needed for. And so if you have a good measuring tape that's easy to read, you can see the numbers no matter how you turn it. And measuring is something that every DIYer will need to do at some point.
So we have one bonus for you. And these aren't small tools, but they're definitely something that you're going to need for the holidays. And that's a couple of drills.
This is a power drill.
And this is the impact drill.
Power drills are for precision and smaller projects when you need the precision or the straightness of the screw or whatever it is you're drilling.
And if you're trying to get some power, you're just trying to get that thing in there. Let's say you're doing a shutter outside. You want to get that power for it. So you just want to get in there. This impact drill is something that'll help you out with that. There's different kinds of drills. And the ones that we like are the cordless drills.
Yeah. We like that you can change the batteries out.
Oh, yeah, easily.
And with each other.
And they're interchangeable. The cool thing about it is that if you buy a particular brand, any brand that you choose, usually the batteries are interchangeable with that brand.
The cordless option allows you to use your tools in places that you may not have an outlet or you don't need a long cord. And we really like that, especially if you're working all around the house, outside and inside.
So they also have different types of attachments, such as drill bits. There's different types of drill bits that you can get for your screwdriver, for your drill. And this is what I like. The impact drill right here, you just put it right on in and it's connected.
And you
that's
have,
the cool thing
that's
about it.
a Phillips screwdriver.
Yes, it's a Phillips
bit or
screwdriver.
whatever
Yeah, this
on
is
the
just a
end.
little head that you stick in here.
Yeah.
And that's cool. I like that.
So you can just do so many different options. This is a more versatile tool, a powerful tool. And you know, hubby's even used it. He's added attachments on here, just like this Dollar Tree brush.
I needed to clean my car wheels. I needed to clean the mats, the car wheels, and just get everything ready for the holidays. So I went to the Dollar Tree, picked up a little toilet brush. I cut it in half with my miter saw so I could just stick it into my trusty drill right here. And now I can clean my mats and clean my wheels.
Yeah, that was something we saw on TikTok.
Yeah.
So you can use your drill for a lot of random things.
You can use an actual, drill bit to put inside of a regular drill. And you would just open it up. Right there, you see the head just opens up. And you click this, and then, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it'll get tight. It'll get tight right there. I gotta hold that part. You click it on, and now you can drill in just some wood right here if you want to.
And the attachment that helps you to create holes, it helped us to do recessed lighting. Not only are these great tools for your holiday DIY projects, but they're also nice gifts.
Yes.
Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite DIY tool during the holidays?
Yeah, we want to know which one of these is going to help you fix your home up for your family and friends. Hey, babe, why don't you try this? Try and take that off right there. Let me see you do that.
What, take it off?
Yeah, I want to see you take it off. That part.
Oh, this part.
Yeah, you got to pull it. You got to pull that. There you go. You pull that one too.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, that's how you get it off.
Let's see. I don't use this one. I like to use the power drill.
What, you like to use this one? But you got to
That one's for precision. This one's for
power.
There we go.
There you go.
See.
So we hope you guys got something out of these small tools that make a big difference
to make your holidays bigger, brighter, and better.
And remember, you can DIY too. Be safe out there.